I'm Robert Estrin. You're watching livingpianos.com. I've got an extraordinary piano here. This is a Chickering manufactured in 1870. Now, this isn't just a typical rebuild. This is a conservation restoration. You know, this piano is not a modern piano, it is a period piece. Chickering was the largest piano manufacturer in the world at the time this piano was made. Abraham Lincoln had Chickerings in the White House. All the parts were meticulously handcrafted to match the original specifications. And you've got the original ivory keys in absolutely spectacular condition. The rosewood cabinet, the hand carvings, it is a sight to behold. It is also a straight-strung piano, which offers a very even sound from top to bottom without the typical cross stringings that pianos have today. And there's a unique sound you've got to hear. I've got 3 selections showing different period styles. Let's start with a bit of the K332 Mozart Sonata, a little bit of the second movement for you. A unique sound, and the action plays beautifully. It's a different feel from a modern piano. The whole geometry and the technology is from another age. It's just amazing to behold a piano more like what Chopin and Liszt played. Not a fully modern piano, but 88 keys, and what a tone. Listen to some Beethoven, the first movement, the exposition of his Pastoral Sonata, Opus 28. relatively easy piano to play and rewarding with a rich tone that's unlike anything you've heard before, isn't it? I'm interested in your opinion of this piano, but before I leave, let's have a little bit of Chopin, a little intersection of his A-flat ballade, Chopin's third ballade. It was completely restored to like it was when it was new in 2001. Absolutely spectacular. There are so few instruments from this age from one of the most respected piano makers. In no small part, Chickering is responsible for the modern piano we all love and play today. The innovations they brought decades before Steinway or other piano companies were around. Chickering was the American piano manufacturer that made it possible for all the other piano companies that followed. And an instrument like this is a treasure, showing what was possible in 1870. I'm wondering how you feel about this piano and what you think of the sound. Leave them here in the comments at livingpianos.com. We are your online piano store. Thanks again for joining me. I'm Robert Estrin.